All right, well, it is day 3. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit subscribe if you like what you see. Lily's not here right now, but I need to keep the ball going to make our goal. So today, for a little bit, I'm going to be working alone, and then she'll be back and ready to help out. So I am going to start disassembling the fenders, taking the core support off, radiator, start getting some of this stuff done, and then we'll start disconnecting some wiring and make this so we can lift the body up, access the engine better. So guys, go ahead and watch. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments below, but appreciate you guys, and thank you for subscribing. But cool, let's get moving.